Hi there, so today we're going to just show you one of our obstacles in use at Burns Outdoor Obstacle Training. This is Wayne and he's going to demonstrate this for you, so go ahead Wayne. So Wayne's doing the technique of one hand at a time, which is a little bit more advanced than the double-handed technique that gets used at the beginning. Now he's doing the rings. A lot of momentum needs to be had here to swing from ring to ring. And this is the final stage of this section, just a straight bar to get to the end. Well done, Wayne.